FiberTite provides operational security for the world's most powerful brands. What's that mean, really? When I break down that statement, it really is where we bring value. We supply a roofing membrane of the highest quality. There's nothing like it in the world. However, what it really does is provide key customers in critical facilities with the security of knowing that the roof system they employ with FiberTite is not going to breach the security of that system and what resides underneath that roof.
Building owners look to us as the single source of truth of what's going up on that roof. And so every element of that roof, in terms of the products, how the product's being installed, the arrival of those products, they look to us as being the sole responsible party to making sure that is done effectively, efficiently, and done in a way that provides them the operational security that they so need, which is why they selected us in the first place.
There are two things that make FiberTite different from what I've seen. It's the fabric and it's the chemistry. So a lot of the other products out on the market try to use a value engineered, as they would call it, a scrim, where we are basing all of our technology off of the DNA that we've inherited from Seaman Corporation's other products, where we have a lot of strength packed into that fabric. The other part of it is the chemistry, and when we locked in on that chemistry, that's what really sets us apart, is our ability to perform over those long periods of time where other membranes just can't stand up.
Much like the resilience of FiberTite's product longevity, our differentiating value has endured over decades through intellectual property linked to the unique formulations of these chemistries. Formulations that, to this day, are unmatched by any other material in the single-ply roofing market.
We're really proud to call a lot of the world's most powerful brands not just customers, but partners with us as well, like those in the financial services industry, those in the data center industry, hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, automotive companies, etc. And we have numerous customers within those segments around the world that trust FiberTite to provide that level of security.
If a building owner is constantly aware of their roof, it's probably because it's a problem. So for our value to a customer is, we not only have a stellar product, we will also assist in the design part of it to make sure that the roof system that you're installing is going to last for its entire service life.
When it comes to data centers, for instance, I always remind everybody that their bank accounts and their wife's photos and their husband's photos are in those data centers. I also talk about things like airports, where we invest dollars as taxpayers, that's going to be there for a long time. It's going to operate well for all of us.